Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelin bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The 9th pastoral meeting of IUS America began in Chacara, São Vicente, Lagoa da Cruz, near Campo Grande, Brazil on 19 September, bringing together representatives of Salesian institutions of higher education to IUS from all over Latin America. The event is being coordinated by the Rector of the University Center of the East of Minas Gerais, Genesio Zeferino of the IUS America Pastoral Area 2, and is being held both in person and digitally with a total participation of around 50 people. In opening the meeting, Professor Zeferino emphasized the importance of networking, which strengthens the actions of the IUS. The rector of the Don Bosco Catholic University, Father Jose Marinoni, then reminded participants of the commitment to the comment program and policies approved at the General Assembly, which takes place every 4 years. Returning to the origins to look to the future, moved by this intuition, young Salesian students at the Crosetta went on a 2-day journey to the places of John Bosco's childhood at Colle Don Bosco to enter the new year and begin to think together about their formation journey. Today, 65 Salesians of 22 different nationalities live at the Crosetta community. These days were an opportunity for a grateful memory of last year and the summer experiences, to cast a first glance at the future, to look at the formation journey ahead. The formation team invited the young Salesian students to reflect in this bicentenary year of the dream at 90 years of age on 3 guiding words to make God's dream concrete for them. Asceticism, trust, generosity. The days ended with a pilgrimage from Colle to Castelnuovo to follow in the footsteps of Father Cafasso, who accompanied Don Bosco in his delicate years of formation, and to entrust their journey to the Madonna del Castello, Our Lady of the Castle, to whom Mama Margaret also entrusted John Bosco. On Saturday, 9 September, the Salesian Project E-Not Zone organized an event at the Don Bosco La Tola Educational Unit near Quito, during which 437 school kits for boys, girls and adolescents from the Guambras Action Program and the Mi Caleta Support and Care Program were handed out. The event was attended by Father Nuan Tapia, Director of the Ecuadorian Salesian Project Not Zone, Elisabetta Maruri, Economer, Freddy Roos, Project Technician, Victor Corquera, Director of the La Tola Center, Father Francisco Gomez, Vice Rector of Casa Don Trua Community, and Karina Cruz, representative of the Guambras Action Program Parents Council. Father Nuan emphasized the importance of this school kit as a fundamental tool that will allow the beneficiaries of the project to continue their studies and at the same time advance the mission of restoring the right to education. In addition, the contribution of the Salesian Polytechnic University UPS was appreciated for its constant support to the favorites of Don Bosco, that is, girls and boys among the neediest. Salesian practical trainees from the North Philippines Province FIN participated in a seminar and formation meeting on ministerial boundaries, power and self-care held from 14 to 16 September in Bali, Indang. Talks and sessions were delivered and moderated by Father Jake Adrian E. Lopez SDB, delegate of the FIN Provincial Formation Commission, and the practical trainees were accompanied by their supervisor, Father Marlon Eliosida SDB. The series of sessions began with an explanation of the boundaries in ministerial relationships. The first part focused on explaining important definitions of what ministers and ministries are and what boundaries and their different types mean and entail. The importance of self-care was also emphasized to the practical trainees, with a focus on maintaining healthy relationships with oneself, others and God, caring for one's physical and mental health, relating more with friends and confreres in the Salesian community, being faithful to a regular program of retreats. Africa, a continent full of diversity, challenges and potential. It was there that the Salesian media delegates met to discuss a common strategy for the future that will support education and evangelization through media on the continent. This remarkable meeting took place from 16 to 20th September 2023 in Maputo in Mozambique and brought a lot of inspiration and ideas for action. The Salesians are known for their pastoral and evangelization work among young people. In the age of digital media, they asked themselves how to effectively communicate the message of the gospel through modern tools. In today's world full of modern technology and media, Salesian media delegates feel obliged to use these tools to reach out to young people. The meeting in Africa was an excellent opportunity to share experiences and ideas. Delegates represented different countries of the continent as well as different areas of media. Together, they discussed the challenges of communication in Africa as well as how to reach young people more effectively. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.